One UI 8 might finally tackle the battery drain issues that users experienced with One UI 7. Samsung began rolling out the Android 15-based One UI 7 update to supported Galaxy devices back in April. While many users appreciated the fresh design, added features, and enhanced flexibility, a common concern quickly emerged: battery life took a hit for some. Thankfully, a recent leak suggests that One UI 8 could bring noticeable improvements in this area. Well-known tipster Taryn Vats shared some new screenshots on X, hinting at potential battery optimizations coming with the Android 16-based One UI 8. The leaked images showcase a Galaxy S25 Ultra running a beta version of the update. What's impressive is that it reportedly delivered up to 8 hours of screen on time, with 13% battery still remaining. Early testing also revealed that battery consumption was only about 10% per hour, a very encouraging sign. What makes this even more impressive is that the tests were done using Quad HD resolution and primarily on Wi-Fi. Considering Samsung's continued use of 5000 mAh batteries, this level of efficiency could mean a huge leap forward. Taryn added an optimistic note, hoping that Samsung doesn't ruin this performance in the final release. Often, beta versions show better results than the stable ones, so fingers crossed that Samsung keeps the momentum going in the official build. Could this be the breakthrough Galaxy users have been waiting for? It's still early days for One UI 8, but the initial battery stats from the S25 Ultra do give us hope that Samsung is finally addressing long-standing battery concerns. On top of that, Samsung isn't stopping with just One UI 8.0. The company is also preparing for One UI 8.5, both of which are based on the upcoming Android 16. A hidden developer section inside the Galaxy Phone app recently revealed this exciting roadmap. The internal menu, typically used by developers, lists both versions, 8.0 and 8.5, giving us a glimpse at what's ahead for Samsung's software experience. This confirms earlier speculation that Samsung is planning two significant updates rather than just minor incremental ones. In the past, we've seen updates like One UI 6.1 and 6.1.1, which brought new features mid-cycle. But a direct jump from 7.0 to 8.0, followed by 8.5, might signal a shift in Samsung's update strategy, offering more substantial improvements more frequently. That wraps it up for now. What are your thoughts on the upcoming One UI 8 and the possible changes in Samsung's update approach? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.